It's time for a murder mystery. Who's gonna die? Okay, this person's found dead in their dorm room. Who are you? Oh my god, not my bird! No, not one of my birds. Okay, this person was last seen with Tokoyami. From the grave? Dude, Twice, are you okay? Okay, this person has appointed themselves detective for Tokoyami's death. Dude! So Twice from the grave is going around saying that everyone's dead, and he's accusing Tokoyami of killing himself? Okay, who really did it? Who killed him? Who killed Tokoyami? Monoma, you bastard!